Imagine a vibrant island filled with rich traditions. Welcome to Phuket, Thailand's cultural gem. This tropical paradise is not just about beaches, it's alive with history and festivals. Phuket has a unique blend of Thai, Chinese, and Portuguese influences. These cultures shape its art, architecture, and cuisine. Exploring this diversity can open up incredible experiences. First, let's dive into cultural landmarks. Visit the Big Buddha, a symbol of peace. This statue stands tall at 45 meters. It's a great spot for stunning views. Next, wander through Old Phuket town. Here, colorful Sino-Portuguese buildings tell the island's story. Stop by local shops and cafes. Try a cup of Thai iced tea, it's delicious. Now, let's discuss local festivals. The Vegetarian Festival is popular. It features parades, street food, and cultural performances. Witness amazing rituals that showcase devotion and tradition. Another celebration is the Loi Krathong Festival. This takes place on a full moon night. People release floating lanterns onto the water. It's breathtaking and symbolizes letting go of negativity. Visiting local markets is essential. Experience the Phuket Weekend Market. Here, you'll find handicrafts, souvenirs, and tasty street food. The vibrant atmosphere is captivating and unique. Ultimately, Phuket's culture enriches your travel experience. The stunning sights, flavors, and traditions create unforgettable moments. Immerse yourself in this vibrant island to truly understand its beauty. Plan your trip to Phuket now. Discover the allure of Thai culture today. Don't miss out on this amazing adventure. Phuket's culinary scene is a delightful journey of flavors waiting to be explored. Begin this adventure with a taste of Tom Yum Goong, a fragrant shrimp soup that combines an explosion of spices with fresh herbs. Next, make your way to a local market to sample Pad Thai, the iconic stir-fried noodles that embody the essence of Thai cuisine. Don't forget dessert. Savor a slice of mango sticky rice, a sweet indulgence that perfectly completes any meal. Each dish tells a story, reflecting the island's rich history and diverse cultural influences. Following your culinary delights, consider joining a cooking class to learn how to prepare these local delicacies yourself, deepening your appreciation for Phuket's gastronomy. Cooking alongside locals, you will get insight into their traditions and techniques, making for a memorable experience. Every meal becomes a celebration, drawing tourists and locals alike together around the table, showcasing the heart and soul of this vibrant island community. Embrace the flavors, engage with the people, and take home a piece of Phuket's culinary heritage as you embark on this flavorful adventure. Whether you're indulging in street food or dining in a traditional restaurant, each culinary experience in Phuket adds another layer to the rich tapestry of your visit. Taste the island's essence through its food, because every bite tells a story worth sharing. As night falls over the island, the atmosphere transforms. Street vendors set up colorful stalls, their lights twinkling like stars. The alluring scent of grilled seafood wafts through the air, beckoning visitors to indulge in Phuket's night market scene. Families gather to enjoy sizzling dishes, laughter rising above the vibrant sounds around them, creating a symphony of culture and community. Traditional music fills the spaces between stalls, inviting passers-by to pause and savor this lively experience. Here, every corner reveals another hidden gem, waiting to be discovered and enjoyed by all who wander through this tropical paradise. As your journey in Phuket comes to an end, you'll find that every moment spent here has enriched your spirit and expanded your horizons. This island has a way of weaving itself into your heart, leaving you with memories that linger long after you've departed. Phuket's journey is not just about sights but also the connections you make along the way. Each conversation with a local craftsman or vendor reveals the island's stories and traditions. As you explore the vibrant streets, the friendly smiles and warm greetings create a sense of belonging, welcoming you into their world. As you continue to wander, take a moment to join a traditional dance workshop. Here, skilled instructors guide you through the graceful movements of Thai culture, allowing you to express yourself through art and rhythm. Surrounded by the joyful sounds of music and laughter, you can feel the pulse of Phuket's creative spirit come alive. Each step, each sway invites you to become part of a community that cherishes its heritage and showcases its vibrant tapestry through dance. Embrace the joy of learning and connect with fellow travelers and locals, making friendships that will last beyond your time on the island. As the sun sets, the island glows with an enchanting atmosphere, drawing you towards the beachfront. Here, the rhythmic sounds of waves crashing against the shore harmonize with the vibrant tones of live music echoing from nearby bars. Travelers and locals alike gather on the sand, where a cultural celebration unfolds. Street performers captivate audiences with fire displays and traditional dances, illustrating the deep-rooted heritage of Phuket. This lively scene is more than mere entertainment, it's a testament to the island's spirit of unity and joy that brings everyone together. As you join in on the spontaneous celebrations, laughter fills the air, and you realize how special these moments are in creating everlasting memories. Each interaction weaves into the rich fabric of your experience, leaving you with a profound sense of belonging and happiness. As the night deepens, the moon casts a silvery glow on the tranquil waters, beautifully contrasting with the lively atmosphere around you. Take a moment to savor freshly grilled skewers served right off the barbecue, each bite bursting with flavor, reminding you of the island's vibrant culinary heritage. Nearby, artisans showcase their handmade crafts, capturing the essence of Phuket's rich culture. Engaging with these talented individuals, you learn about their craftsmanship and the stories behind their works, each piece a unique representation of the island's history. Conversations flow easily as strangers become friends, united by shared experiences. The warmth of community envelops you, making each interaction feel genuine and enriching. Just as the night sky sparkles with stars, your heart is filled with the magic of connection, promising to stay with you long after you leave this enchanting paradise. As the festivities continue into the night, you can't help but feel a deep appreciation for Phuket's vibrant spirit. The blend of laughter, music, and culinary delights creates an inviting tapestry that beckons everyone to join in the celebration. In this island paradise, each sunrise signals a new adventure, and every sunset serves as a reminder of the beauty you've experienced. With the warmth of its people and the richness of its culture etched in your memory, Phuket becomes more than just a destination. It transforms into a cherished chapter of your life's journey. As you prepare to leave, carry with you the flavors, friendships, and traditions that will forever link your heart to this tropical oasis. The connections you forge here become a part of who you are, shaping your perspective long after you depart. Remember the laughter shared during dance, the taste of street food savored under a starlit sky, and the stories exchanged with artisans. Phuket teaches you that every journey is about the bonds formed, the cultures experienced, and the moments that make life richer. As you look back, you'll find that this island is not just a place you visited but a feeling that will forever dwell in your heart. Embrace the memories and let them inspire your future adventures, wherever they may lead you. As you reflect on your journey, the sun begins to rise, casting a golden hue over the island. The tranquil sounds of the waves provide a soothing backdrop, inviting one last stroll along the beach. The beauty of Phuket, with its enchanting landscapes and rich culture, has woven itself into your heart. You realize that every experience, from the flavors of local cuisine to the warmth of shared laughter, has left a lasting imprint. This island paradise is not just a destination, it has become a cherished memory. As you depart, carry forth the spirit of Phuket, allowing its beauty and connections to guide your future travels, reminding you of the incredible journey you've embraced. As you sip your morning coffee, the aroma mingles with the cool sea breeze, awakening a sense of serenity within you. The vibrant colors of the sunrise paint the sky, reflecting the island's rich tapestry of experiences and connections that have enriched your soul. As you leave this tropical paradise, hold tight to the memories created amid the laughter and warmth of the people. Phuket will forever remain a cherished part of your journey, reminding you of life's beauty and the connections that make each adventure truly meaningful. Embrace the spirit of Phuket as you journey forward. As you savor these experiences, remember to capture every moment in your heart. Each sunrise on the horizon holds the promise of new adventures, and every shared smile adds to the richness of your journey. Whether you are learning a traditional dance or enjoying the tantalizing flavors of Phuket's cuisine, you become part of a story that intertwines with countless others. This vibrant interaction fuels your spirit, as you connect with the island's true essence through its people and places. The memories of laughter, joy, and cultural celebration linger on, inviting you to return one day to a place that feels like home. In the final moments of your time on this enchanting island, take a leisurely stroll along the beach, allowing the gentle waves to kiss your feet and the warm sun to embrace your skin. With each step, you reflect on the vibrant tapestry of experiences that have shaped your journey, the stunning sunsets, the joyful celebrations, and the meaningful connections made along the way. As the ocean breeze whispers softly in your ear, it carries with it the laughter of new friends and the spirit of traditions that have become a part of you. Forever marked by the beauty and warmth of Phuket, your heart swells with gratitude for every moment embraced. Feel the excitement of future adventures waiting just beyond the horizon, knowing that Phuket will always be a cherished chapter in your life story, forever calling you back. As you prepare to embark on this new chapter, take one last glance at the mesmerizing shores of Phuket, where every grain of sand holds a memory and every wave echoes the laughter shared. The island, with its enchanting beauty and rich culture, has woven itself into the very fabric of your being. The cherished moments of connection and discovery you've experienced here will forever remind you of the warmth and vibrancy of life, urging you to carry this spirit into your future adventures. With a heart full of gratitude and a spirit inspired by the allure of Phuket, let this unforgettable journey guide you, reminding you that every place visited contributes to the tapestry of your own incredible tale. As you step onto the boat for the final ride, the waves gently rock the vessel, reminiscent of the joyful experiences on shore. The soft sound of the engine hums a lullaby, lulling you into a contemplative space. Gazing back at the silhouette of Phuket rising against the clear blue sky, your heart swells with a mix of nostalgia and excitement, knowing that while this chapter is ending, the spirit of the island will forever enrich your life. The vibrant tapestry you've woven from these experiences will resound through your future adventures, reminding you always to embrace new cultures, flavors, and connections. As the boat begins to pull away, the sun paints the sky in hues of orange and pink, a fitting farewell to the vibrant island that has captured your heart. The sounds of the bustling markets and laughter from street performers begin to fade into the distance, replaced by the soothing rhythm of the waves lapping against the hull. In these final moments, you hold onto the vivid memories of laughter shared with new friends and the culinary delights that graced your palate. With every ripple in the water, you feel the echoes of a place that taught you the value of connection, joy, and the simple beauty of life. Embrace the spirit of Phuket as it lingers within you, inspiring your next adventure and forever reminding you that every journey is an opportunity to grow, learn, and forge unforgettable bonds. As the shoreline of Phuket slips away, the memories of your time there bring a smile to your face. Each adventure, whether it was discovering local traditions or reveling in the culinary delights, has built a bond with this paradise. You can still hear the rhythms of the traditional dances resonating in your heart, reminding you of the vibrant spirit that fills the air with joy. The warmth of the island's people lingers with you, a gentle nudge to cherish the connections forged during your stay. With the horizon stretching before you, you know that the essence of Phuket will travel with you, shaping the stories of your future adventures as you carry this chapter within you. As the gentle waves continue to rock the boat, you close your eyes for a moment, letting your mind drift back to the sun-kissed shores of Phuket. Every vibrant sunset you witnessed, each tantalizing dish you tasted, and the laughter shared with newfound friends resurface in your memory, painting a vivid tableau of your journey. The island's unique blend of cultures, showcased in its lively festivals and warm-hearted people, leaves an indelible mark on your soul. With a heart full of gratitude, you realize that the true spirit of Phuket lies not just in its breathtaking landscapes but in the connections made along the way, reminding you to embrace life's many adventures ahead. As you navigate through life's future adventures, hold close the warmth of the experiences you've forged in Phuket. The vibrant culture, the rich flavors, and the heartfelt connections create a part of who you are now. Every sunset, every smile, and every shared story remind you of the beauty in travel and the bonds it nurtures. Let the spirit of this enchanting island inspire you, guiding you toward new horizons, adventures, and friendships that await. Remember, the essence of Phuket will always be a cherished part of your journey, enriching your heart with every experience yet to come. As you reminisce, allow the warmth of the island and its people to guide you on your next journey. The laughter and joy experienced here will serve as a reminder that travel is not just about destinations, but the deeper connections that enrich our lives. Let these memories inspire you to share your own stories, bringing a piece of Phuket wherever you go. Embrace the lessons learned, for they will become a compass, pointing you toward endless horizons filled with wonder, laughter, and the shared spirit of humanity. The heart of Phuket remains with you, whispering tales of joy and connection, eagerly awaiting your return one day. As you gently sway with the rhythm of the boat, the memories pulse within you like the waves against the hull. Each unique experience, from the serene temple visits to the bustling markets, has become a cherished part of your life's narrative. The faces of those you met flash before your eyes, their smiles beckoning you to keep their stories alive. This connection to Phuket weaves a thread of warmth through the fabric of your being, a vivid reminder that travel intertwines you with the lives of others. The sights, sounds, and flavors of this island will resonate within you, guiding your future journeys with a sense of purpose and a heart open to the beauty of human connection. Embrace the unfolding adventures ahead, knowing that Phuket has gifted you an invaluable treasure, an appreciation for the rich tapestry of life and the people who color its canvas. With a final glance back at the silhouette of the island, you carry forth the spirit of Phuket, a light that will brighten your travels and inspire the stories yet to be told. As the boat glides further from the shore, each wave that passes beneath you seems to echo the laughter and joy of your time spent on the island. You take a deep breath, allowing the fresh sea air to fill your lungs as memories cascade through your mind like a vibrant waterfall. The faces of the friends you made flash vividly, their welcoming smiles and shared stories are now part of the tapestry that colors your view of the world. You realize that while this chapter concludes, its lessons will resonate with each new experience that awaits. The spirit of Phuket, with its cultural richness and heartfelt connections, will continue to influence your journey, reminding you of the beauty found in every corner of the globe. With a heart full of gratitude and hope, you gaze out at the horizon, ready for the next adventure that fate has in store. As the boat carries you further away, you take a moment to reflect on the memories crafted during your time on the island. The vibrant culture, warm smiles, and the mesmerizing sunsets weave themselves into a beautiful tapestry of experiences that will stay with you forever. You realize that Phuket has not just been a destination but a transformative journey that has deepened your appreciation for the beauty of diverse cultures and the connections forged along the way. Let this vibrant spirit inspire your heart, guiding you through the adventures that lie ahead, as the essence of Phuket continues to illuminate your path with its unforgettable warmth and joy. As you look out over the open water, your thoughts drift to the rich cultural experiences that Phuket has gifted you. From the flavors of its culinary delights to the rhythms of its dances, each moment has imprinted a lasting mark on your soul. This island is more than a destination, it has become a cherished memory, a reminder of the beauty of connection and the joy of exploration.